Every morning, Henry loved peace and quiet. He never expected today would begin another crazy prank.
Lily was usually in the kitchen, but this morning she was strangely quiet. Henry immediately became suspicious.
What is this strange box? Henry had no idea that touching it would make his morning much worse.
Green slime covered Henry's hand. Lily appeared from behind the door and laughed because her first prank had worked perfectly.
Then Henry found his favorite blue shirt outside. Lily had written a terrible message on it. Henry is boring.
Lily, this has to stop. I need my house to be normal when I come home from work.
Henry found a red button with one simple instruction. He knew it was probably Lily's trap, but curiosity won.
For once, Lily became the victim. Blue powder covered her, and Henry finally got his first laugh.
After yesterday's surprise, Henry trusted nothing. Even Lily's pancakes looked suspicious.
Lily's prank followed Henry to work. A mysterious yellow box appeared inside his bag without explanation.
The note said, "Open at home." Henry immediately decided that ignoring the box was probably the safest choice.
At home, another package was waiting. Henry looked at his name and immediately suspected another prank.
Okay, Lily, you wanted a prank war. Now you have one. And I am finally ready to play.
Lily answered with a bigger prank. A hidden bucket swung forward and covered Henry completely with water.
Inside the shed, Henry found something unexpected. It was not another prank, but an old photograph from childhood.
We were always making trouble as children. Mom knew exactly how much we loved messy adventures.
Lily ran across the garden, laughing loudly. Henry chased her, and suddenly they felt like children again.
Lily's final garden prank was perfect. A large bucket swung forward and soaked Henry from head to toe.
Then something strange happened. Green slime began dripping from the ceiling, and Lily said it was not her prank.
The box moved by itself. Henry and Lily stared at it, wondering what could possibly be inside.
Henry carefully opened the box from a distance. Inside was green slime, an envelope, and a mysterious silver key.
The silver key had the number 13. Henry found a matching lock and slowly turned the key.
Inside were old photographs and a brown notebook. The notebook belonged to their mother, and suddenly the mystery felt personal.
The notebook told them to search the garden. Henry and Lily followed the clue toward the old tree from their childhood.
Under the old tree, Henry found a wooden box. It had clearly been hidden there many years earlier.
The final note sent them back to the kitchen. Henry suspected another prank, and this time he was completely right.
Lily threw one final handful of slime. Henry stared at his shirt, then laughed because he finally enjoyed the joke.
The next box was different. It had Lily's name on it, and neither sibling knew who had left it.
Daniel found the same black star at work. The mystery was connected to Henry and Lily's family history. This man was Frank, an old friend of their mother. Henry had never seen him before, But the photograph changed everything. The clues led them to their old family house. Henry remembered childhood immediately, and Lily smiled at the memories. The clues led them to their old family house. Henry remembered childhood immediately, and Lily smiled at the memories. The black star opened a hidden wall panel. Behind it was another box filled with memories from their childhood.
I am Frank, your mother's old friend. She asked me to finish this treasure hunt so you could remember your childhood.
Your mother wanted you to remember one thing. Being messy, silly, and together was always more important than being perfect.
Henry finally understood the real joke. The slime was never important. Laughing together was the real treasure.
Henry never stopped getting pranked by Lily. But now he knew every silly surprise was another memory they could share.